Welcome. Today, we'll explore how to connect with Kenya using its country code, +254. Country codes are numerical prefixes that facilitate international dialing, ensuring your call reaches the correct destination. Kenya's designated country code is +254, a vital component when dialing Kenyan numbers from abroad. The standard international dialing format includes the exit code, followed by the country code, area code, and the local subscriber number. Exit codes, also known as international access codes, differ by country. For instance, the United States uses 011. Kenya's major cities have specific area codes. Nairobi is 20, Mombasa 41, and Kisumu 57. To call Nairobi from the US, dial 011, US exit code, 254, Kenya's country code, 20, Nairobi's area code, followed by the local number. Kenyan mobile numbers typically start with 7 after the country code, followed by 7 digits. By following these steps, you can seamlessly connect with contacts in Kenya. For more details, visit My Country Mobile.
My Country Mobile, your communication and technology partner.